Hi beauties, thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do another wig review. I haven't done one in a while and I got this new wig and I love it. It has a beautiful, it looks really natural, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So the wig that I got is the Freedom Part Lace Front wig from Freetrees Equal, and the Freedom Part means that you can wear it middle, side, so you can wear it wherever you want and the hair will still look even. So if you guys are interested in seeing more about this beautiful natural looking synthetic wig, then please stay tuned. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for your support. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Alright beauty, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is the Freedom Part Lace Front Wig from Freetrees Equal, and it is the style 203 in the number 2. It is a straight wig and it is a yaki texture. I'm just showing you how it looks right out of the package right now. And you can see the parting space is really nice. It doesn't really need any plucking, just a little concealer and powder and you'll be good. And it is soft lace. There's also 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the nape, and there are adjustable straps as well. And it also has a little plastic band on there that will help it to stay secure to your head as well, which is nice. Now I'm showing you the texture. It is a yaki texture. It is nice and soft, and there was not much shedding, so I really did like that about the wig. And I'm just showing you as I'm running my hands through it that there are no tangles. Now I'm going to go ahead and start preparing to put the wig on, so I needed to hit my edges up with some gel. So I got the Eco Styler gel, and I'm just brushing my edges back to prepare to put the wig on right now. Now my natural hair color is not a 2, it's more like a 4. So my edges are going to look a lot lighter than the wig. So you're going to see what I'm going to do to remedy that situation just a little later. And I'm just trying to get those edges snatched back. Okay, I think we are ready and prepared to put the wig on now. Now we are putting the wig on, and I'm going to show you how the wig looks with the lace on first, just to give you a little bit of an idea of how the wig looks straight out of the bag, and then we'll cut the lace off so we can actually style the unit with it. So right now I'm showing you, because it is a Freedom Part, that you can wear it from each side and from the middle. And this is to one side. And this is really cute. I really like this wig. Now I'm going to bring it back to the middle so you can see how it looks as a middle part. I'm not a middle part type of person, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks if you are a middle part type of person. And I'm just bringing it to the other side so you can see if you like to wear your wig to the other side. And you can see it looks right if you do it either way, and the hair still looks even. And I'm just showing you that right now. To the side and going down and up, you can see the hair looks even, and one side does not look longer than the other, which is nice. Now we're going to go ahead and cut that lace off, and I'm going to go as close to the hairline as possible, but just not in a straight. I like to go a little bit jagged with it, just because it just makes it look a little bit more natural to me, but still pretty close to the hairline as possible. I cut down the middle and then I do one side, and then you can see right now I'm cutting the other side. I was at my mom's house right now, so I couldn't really do a talk through, so that's why I'm doing the talk through now. And we were watching 7 Seconds. That's why I kept looking up. That show was really good on Netflix. I recommend it. And now I just put the wig on without the lace, and I'm just kind of styling it right now. I'm bringing the hair to the front and brushing my hair with it so that it looks more natural and there's not a separation there, and adding a little bit more gel because the lace kind of messed up what I had done previously. And I didn't cut baby hairs with it because the scissors that I had were not really that good. So I just kind of brushed up the very front of the hair with my hair to make it look a little bit more natural. And there you can see it is looking good, but like I was telling you, I have more of a number 4 color here, and this is a number 2. So I added some Topic, and this is like a hair fiber to just make it look darker and match more with the color of the hair. And a little bit of this goes a long way. You don't have to use a lot. And I just smooth it out with my finger and a little bit of gel. I don't want to use a brush and brush it away or anything, but if I do use a brush, I just tap it on. I don't really like brush. And now I feel like it looks a lot more natural and blended. Alright beauty, so I hope you enjoyed this video on this wig. This is the Freetrees Equal Freedom Part Lace Front Wig. This wig is gorgeous. I think it looks extremely natural. Right now I haven't even added any powder or foundation to the part or to the lace at all, so that just tells you how natural it looks. The only thing I did, if you watched the video, is add some gel, and I also added a little bit of Topic to my edges just because they looked a little thin and I wanted them to look a little thicker, and some Eco Styler gel. Other than that, that is all I needed with this wig. I haven't experienced any shedding while finger combing through it. It is a natural density. It's not too full and it's not too thin. It has a natural luster to it, and my fingers are not tangling at all when going through it. The part looks very natural, and it's a nice thick part where you don't have to pluck it. I don't feel like I have to pluck this at all. I could add a little powder and foundation to it to just make it stand out just a little bit more, but even just like this, I think it looks pretty natural. So you guys let me know, what do you think about this wig below? It is one of my new favorite straight wigs that I am loving. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. And if you would like me to do any specific wig reviews, leave them below, and I will definitely look into getting those wigs and reviewing them for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.